Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to change wallpaper tutorial in your Poco C61 smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, click on settings, here it is. Then friends, here it is, themes. Click on themes and here you can find there is a option of changing it. If you have downloaded wallpaper in your Poco smartphone, then simply click on plus icon like this and here you can find all the pictures. Just click on the picture from here like I show you. You can see this and just simply tap on the picture and click on set as wallpaper. Then it asks for apply to lock screen or apply to both. You can select apply both and friends, it is successfully set. You can see. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.